Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming the camera app exists and is allowed. Open the app drawer and search Camera. If you don't see it, go to Settings Apps and type Camera. Make sure it isn't disabled. Once done, sign into your Samsung account if prompted so System Restore and Cloud settings can sync. This step prevents unnecessary reinstallations and ensures the app can be placed back on home. Now that prereqs are set, move to the next concrete actions to restore the icon. Now you'll restore the icon to the home screen. Open the app drawer, locate Camera, and long press its icon, drag it to the home page or choose Add to Home. If Camera is missing, go to Settings Apps Show System Apps or search Galaxy Store for camera updates and reinstall if necessary. You can also long press the home screen, tap widgets, find camera shortcuts, and place one. Make sure you position it where you can access it quickly. Then check permissions so the app functions. Finish by making the camera usable and resilient. Tap the icon to open Camera and accept permissions for camera and storage. That's why it sometimes won't appear to work. Then restart your phone to ensure launcher caches update. If the icon is still missing, go to Settings Home Screen, reset home screen layout to restore defaults. Only use this if you accept layout changes. If problems persist, clear the launcher app cache or update the system software. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.